Located on a dramatic bluff overlooking Long Island Sound in Sands Point, New York, the Sands Point residence is a family home has a metal roof that wraps around to the walls, where it meets glass and wood elements designed by HMA2 architects. The rear of the house has a large patio, extending the amount of livable space that the home offers. The interior of the home includes warm cedar wood walls, concrete floors, and stone elements. The 20-foot wide by 36-foot long by 12-foot high center living area can morph into a dining area for 24 or event space for 50. A secondary dining area shares a space with the kitchen, while stainless steel cabinets add a metallic touch. A home office has been created alongside a picture window and is flooded in natural light. A secondary living room has a casual vibe and includes a bar area with a pair of tables and some stools. The staircase connecting to the bedrooms and bathrooms has a decorative metal railing as well as a leather-wrapped handrail. In one of the bedrooms, there's a cedar wall that wraps onto the ceiling and travels through to the outdoors. Doors open up to a cantilevered balcony that looks out onto the lake. In one of the bathrooms, there are high ceilings, a freestanding bathtub, and a vanity with 3 pendant lights hanging above it. In another bathroom, there's a wood ceiling that complements the vanity, while a frameless shower screen provides separation from the bathtub. In the powder room, there's a combination of small and large tiles covering the walls, while a round mirror hangs above a concrete vanity. Here's a look at the plan.